Alert. It is not the army chief Lagbaja that died, but an army general of the FCT. Ignore rumor. Okay, my people, I greet all of you now when they listen to this very news. Yes, so an army chief, but not Lagbaja, has been assassinated. He has been assassinated. An army general in the FCT has been assassinated. He is a brigadier general called Uwem Harold Udokwere. He's a general, well known, and in fact, some person thought that he would be the next army chief, but look at it, politics has taken it to a westerner. My people, without wasting much time, let's quickly break out the news to Nigerians so that they will be informed. This is today's news. The Federal Capital Territory FCT Police Command has ordered an immediate investigation into the murder of a retired Brigadier General Uwem Harold Udokwere. The general was killed by armed robbers who attacked his residence in Sunshine Homes Estate, Abuja. The unfortunate incident happened at about 3 a.m. on Saturday morning, June 22. In a statement signed by FCT Police PRO Josephine Ade, the police ordered a thorough and discreet inquiry into the circumstances surrounding the Army General's death. FCT Commissioner of Police CP Bennett Igwe expressed condolences to the bereaved family. He assured the family and the public of swift justice, with every effort in conduct to ensure the perpetrators of this atrocious act are apprehended and brought to justice. For those believing and rumoring around that it was Lagbaja, please ignore, because General Lagbaja is still very much alive, carrying out his duties. This is today's news. Thank you for listening. All right, my people, una don hear am, no be Lagbaja die, you. No be Lagbaja die. Lagbaja is still very much alive, doing what is expected of him. You understand? Doing what's expected of him. So we know they carry the news up and down again. Notwithstanding, I will tell you that all of these things are happening because we actually permitted it. We actually permitted it. If we don't want it, it wouldn't have happened. But what are we going to do? I salute your courage, my people, on this matter. Please, based on what has just been said by the CP police officer, commissioner, these criminals that has killed this general, what actually did they say is the misunderstanding? Let me tell you, is still on insecurity. Don't forget that these people have said it, that they are no longer going to the public, but they are going to the officers themselves, those in Aso, those in office, that they are the ones they are going after. And I think that is what they are doing as we speak. So this is a lesson to our leaders that they need to do something very quickly to save lives, or else these people will continue doing what they are doing. Let me hear from you on what already has been said. It is a pleasure having you. Please don't forget to leave your comment below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons and subscribe to this very channel so that each time we upload any new videos, you will be updated. Thank you.